Hey friends, what if 5 tiny morning habits could boost your confidence, calm your mind, and even save you hours each week? I'm sharing my personal favorites and the exact Amazon tools I use so you can start tomorrow. First up, let's kick off with something simple, a 1 minute journaling ritual. Grab a notebook and spend just 60 seconds writing I'm grateful for and today I will. It clears the mental clutter and sets your focus like magic. Trust me, it's my go-to for avoiding that midday fog. I love using this compact journal from Amazon. It's got thick pages that don't bleed, perfect for quick scribbles. Check the link in the description if you want one. Fun tip, if you're like me and mornings feel chaotic, set a cute alarm labeled gratitude time. It turns it into a game. Speaking of calm vibes, that leads perfectly into our next habit, which is 5 deep breaths with a touch of essential oil. After journaling, pause and inhale deeply 5 times. Lavender or frankincense works wonders. It drops your cortisol levels and primes you for a chill, productive day. My portable essential oil inhaler from Amazon is a lifesaver. It's discreet and smells amazing without the mess. Fun tip, pretend you're a dragon breathing out stress. It's silly, but it makes you laugh and loosens up that morning tension. Now that you're feeling centered, let's refresh your space for even more focus. With a quick desk setup refresh, take 2 minutes to place one inspiring object or plant on your workspace. It shifts your environment and mindset instantly. A little greenery or light can make all the difference in staying motivated. I swear by this affordable desktop plant from Amazon, it's low maintenance and adds that Zen vibe without the hassle. Link in the description. Energized space means energized body, so let's move into a mini stretch to get the blood flowing. Let's start with our micro workout stretch. Do 1 doorway chest opener and 2 chair squats. Super easy, no gym needed. It boosts circulation, improves posture, and wakes up your focus for the day ahead. This resistance band kit from Amazon is my secret weapon. Lightweight and perfect for quick sessions anywhere. Fun tip, do your squats while listening to your favorite upbeat playlist. Turn it into a dance party for one, and you'll actually look forward to it. With your body buzzing, let's feed your mind to seal the deal. By adding a 2-minute reading break, flip through 2 pages of a personal growth book. It's that quick perspective shift that inspires real action. Right now, I'm loving this top-selling self-help book on Amazon. It's full of eye-opening insights. Fun tip, read aloud in a dramatic voice like you're narrating your own life movie. It makes the wisdom stick and feels empowering. There you have it, friends. 5 habits that have transformed my mornings.